I'm Mehmet, the consultant of the project and the management of the Limehouse Library Hotel. We opened the hotel, a year ago, and we have a quite unique concept. We have 75 rooms, and each room is named after a person in history, like literature, science, philosophy, politics, and every single room has a unique theme and a name, after a notable person in history. So, and also, as the group has an academy, we also have a culinary arts school at the premises, which we can host up to 20 students. We do have a ballroom that we can host, business guests. So for meetings or dinners or any kind of, events. We also have a well-being section. It includes Turkish bath, spa, sauna, and a small gym. And other than that, we've got a really nice terrace. Up there we can again host events up to 100 people. And other than that, we have a really nice restaurant which has a Mediterranean menu, and also a really nice lobby bar that you can find any nice cocktails or drinks. And as this building used to be a library, we also wanted to have a library at the premises. So we have a small library. Because of our concept, we wanted to also have a modern touch in our rooms. So it was the best way, using a really nice, flexible TV system in our rooms, so we could show our concept. And the Airwave provided us with the best quality service in terms of flexibility and quality product. So our guests could connect and use the system, watch different types of videos and any channels they want to. And in our times, mobile phones are so crucial, so big part of our lives. So connecting through the TV or mobile phone to TV is also important. So Airwave also provides that. So broadcasting through the mobile phone is so easy with the system.